Welcome to this quick guide on how to remove a post from your bookmarks on X, the social platform formerly known as Twitter. If you've saved a post but now want to clear it from your bookmarks, the process is simple and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open a menu. In this menu, find and select the option labeled Bookmarks to access your saved posts. Now that you're in the Bookmarks section, scroll through to locate the post you want to remove. It could be a tweet, a video, or any content you've previously saved for later. When you find the post, look for the bookmark icon, which appears just below the post next to the share button. To remove this post from your bookmarks, simply tap the bookmark icon. This action will immediately take the post out of your saved bookmarks list, making it no longer accessible from your bookmarks. Removing bookmarks one by one helps you keep your saved posts organized without clutter. That's all there is to it. Following these easy steps allows you to efficiently manage your bookmarks on X, keeping only your most wanted posts handy. If you want to clear multiple bookmarks quickly, be aware that bulk removal options are available only on mobile. But for individual posts, this method works smoothly across all platforms. Thanks for watching.